Hey guys, hope you're having a good day. So today we're going to be talking about the USP. So what is a USP? Well, it's not that thing that goes in the computer, that's a USB, and we don't want to get those confused. The USP is the unique selling proposition. Now this basically is the features that make your product different from all the other products out there. So for example, you've got this plain old boring Bic pen, can be picked up anywhere. I mean, who needs that, right? Or you've got this pen, which was handcrafted by Tibetan monks, right? And it's been made from superior materials, and it's even really bendy. Of course, what I'm doing at the moment is I'm selling you complete and total snake oil because they're both the same kind of pen. However, if you get the idea, it's the thing that makes your product a lot better. Such as, for example, you can either have a standard marketing package or you can have a bespoke marketing package which is crafted specifically to the business that you're making it for. Now, I always think bespoke is better, and the main reason because of this, is because if you're crafting a package specifically for certain types of people and you're focusing on the needs of somebody else, that is a really, really good thing. If you are giving people a product that is made in a certain way that is very different from everything else, that makes you stand out. That means that sometimes it means that you're going to be forced into a niche market, but it also benefits your brand in the long run, because if you've got products that nobody else has got, where else can they find them but you? Anyway, hopefully this has been helpful. You have a lovely day, and if you heard it, sorry for the drills outside.